Oh God, I'm going to get run over. So I'm in Rose Hill, or Rosil as they say. So let's have a walk around here. And yeah, I've got to go to ATM, so we'll have a little walk and see what there is while we're at it. It's a nice view, isn't it, up there? Yeah, let's find something a bit more interesting in a minute. See if we can find some shops and stuff. Oh, I think that bar's open. Oh, there's a little cocktail bar in there. That's a cool little bar, isn't it? Tell you what, it's hot though. It's bloody hot, so I think I'll go left. Carriage. It's not like in England, we have to do it yourself. You pull up and they pump, you get a petrol for you. They do it all for you, they do. Oh look, street dog. Not much open at the minute actually. See the police station over there? A few shops over there. There's a little market there. People go and check it out, shall we? Let's have a look. Oh, it stinks up.
Quels sont les petits start maillot?
Almost getting run over. Trying to play it cool though. Oh, I'm gone. Have a look down here. So if you go straight ahead that way, you get to the station, I think. Or Rosil Station. It's Sunday, but it's still quiet. Very quiet. Look at our farm set. Now that is an old school pharmacy. That looks like something from the Victorian era. A little shopping centre here. Get your garms and that. Yeah. Toys and shit. So, we are back
in Brazil.
Brazil
Mauritius.
for bullets. So we're going to munch some bullets.
Going back to the place that we went to last time we was here.
Is that really nice? Have the bullets, please.
Eat him, please.
Yeah.
So you want mix
Yes, please. 5 or 10 each.
5 or 10?
5.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Your bullets.
Yes, bullets. I've got my bullets.
What's what? What one's what?
I don't know. Oh, we don't have the long one in it this time.
A bit chilly.
A little bit of chili in.
I'll put about that much in. So nice.
The chilies.
What chilli was that? Don't know what it is.
I don't think that's lamb.
I know what it is.
You do?
Brain. What do you reckon that one is?
Poisson.
What's poisson? Fish.
Fish.
Fish ball. Definitely a fish ball. Different wontons, isn't there?
Let's see what they said. They've got sawma.
How much are those?
160.
160. So
That's
it's
as good as I
160.
remember from last time.
And it's like £2.45.
Is that it?
£2.45. Yeah. Wicked.
Bloody well good,
Yeah.
isn't it? For that.
So today we're actually in Belrose Cemetery down at Rosehill. Just laid some flowers on some famos' graves. But look at this cemetery. Some families' graves. You've seen such a colourful cemetery in your life.
Really big as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, so if you want to die with a view, this is where you're going to be buried. And that's Belrose Church. So we're going to have a look in the church.
Yes.
If we can, that is. And that building over there is the MCB Bank. Yeah, they're doing a ceremony thing in there. What's this here? Feeling a bit itchy.
Literally itchy nose, but yeah, I am because I'm getting bitten everywhere. What? What? You better tell me I've got something on me. Chris, don't.
No,
You know,
what?
I'll
I'm not
distract
doing
you.
nothing. I was just saying, just because you're a witch.
Now I'm really itchy. Now stop it.
Yeah, told ya. As per the Colchester video.
So now I'm like overthinking now, and I'm itching everywhere.
Oh, see, it's getting worse. It's because we went inside. Her skin's starting to burn. Get how quick she can't wait to get away from the good that men do.
The good that men do.
Yeah.
You think very highly of yourself, don't you?
What's about men, as in human beings?
What?
I said the good that men do, as in human beings. The good that men do, as in the righteous ones above.